Your rental portfolio is bleeding out, and you don't even know it. The Diagnostic. Most investors think their enemy is a bad market. They are wrong. The real enemy is far more insidious. The enemy is leakage. It's the invisible drip, drip, drip of capital leaving your portfolio, flashing red all over the screen. The problem is critical. We are facing maximum leakage. This leakage is part of the drift. It is the silent killer. The drift hides in the receipts you lost. It hides in the maintenance request that took 3 trips to fix instead of 1. Chaos isn't just annoying. Chaos is a tax on your bottom line. We initiate the chaos to cash flow calculator to assess the net operating income, or NOI leakage. We don't guess where the money is going. We track the thermal signature of every dollar. NOI leakage detected. The system has identified the breach points. Now we engage the logic layer to secure and standardize. We stop the bleeding. We standardize the repair. We automate the expense tracking. The logic layer is engaged, securing the system. The red turns to green. The operation is a success. What was once a leak is now a dividend. System status, leakage plugged, profit secured, and now you know.